Hey, how's it going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I am here in front of the Target. It's out there. So I just went inside, looked for some Hot Wheels and different die-casts. So I came across one box and it said Hot Wheels, but I wasn't sure what kind was it. So I opened it and it was really surprising. So I took some and I left some on the pegs. So let me show you what I got today from Target. Here's the number one, which is these are the premium from Culture modern classics. So number one is 1994 Nismo 270R S14. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it looks pretty cool. The back lights are painted, the front lights are painted. I like the way it looks. It's lowered to the ground, has nice kind of like silver gray wheels. Looks pretty cool. Here's the top of it. I'm actually inside my car, so, and on the side says Nismo 270R right there. So it's pretty nice. Nice little Hot Wheel. There you go, that one. Then I got, which was number two, and I got two of them. It's a Ferrari Testarossa. I got two. Here's the front, the side, and the back. I got two of them. So I'm gonna keep one for my collection, and the other one, if somebody has something that wants to trade for, let me know down in the comment section and maybe we can talk about it. So two of these. Then I got only one, but there was actually all of these cars in two sets. So I got one of Toyota, what is it called? Toyota Saurer. There's the front, side. Does have the cool wheels. The back, I like the graphic. The front, it's really nice. And the top has a lip spoiler. It's nice. And another that I got two of them is Porsche 993 GT2. Pretty sweet. I got two of these. There's the front, has a Porsche logo, lights are painted. Side, the big wing, and it does have a, looks like a wide body kit, which is really cool. You don't see that much on Hot Wheels or other die-cast. I guess if you go bigger scale, you do see it, but not that many on Hot Wheels. Front lip, the back. It says Porsche on the license plate. So this one I'm keeping for me, and the other one I'm gonna probably use it same as a Ferrari to, if somebody wants to do some what they call it, exchange, if they have something that I don't have. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. So maybe we can make a deal. I am not willing to sell my Hot Wheels, not yet at least. I don't know, in the future, maybe. But for now, I'm just collecting it for myself, my collection, and keeping it growing. Here's that one. And the last one that I got in this set is Mazda 323 GTR. It's a hatchback, white wheels, a lot of graphics. This one has the most of the graphics out of all of them, which is like really surprising. And I believe it's a modern classic, but it looks like kind of like a rally style. I don't know if anybody can tell me if this is a rally or not, but it does look cool. I like it. So I'll just show right now really quick before I go to another store, the recap for today's hunt from Target. Here we go. All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought it was more. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. So all 5. Let me know down in the comment section which one is your favorite, which ones you guys are still looking for, and what do you think of them? Would you buy them or just pass by them? And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe this video, and once the channel reaches 5,000 subscribers, there will be a free giveaway. It's most likely gonna be some Hot Wheels that I'll be giving away, maybe some other diecast with it. So there you go. Spread the word out there, let everybody know, and please subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the bell button. Till next time, take care everybody, and have a good day. Peace out.